Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw an easy cartoon mummy. Now to start off with this, we're going to make a nice big head. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a big circle for the head of our mummy. Now starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then it's going to curve back here. And then right here we're going to make another one. It's going to go out and then it's going to curve back. Then right here I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve up to here. Then I'm going to curve down again. And I'm going to come back up. Now right across here we're going to add a curved line. And right down here we're going to make another curved line. I want to add two little eyes in here. So to start off we're going to make two little diagonal lines. Then I'm going to add a circle underneath each one. I'm going to add a little circle at the top of these, and I'm just going to color it in. Then I'm just going to add a little smiley face right in here. And I'm going to put a little line underneath each eye. Now, to make the wraps, you want to make them different sizes. So I'm going to start a little bit higher up here, and I'm going to bring it down a little bit lower. So I'm going to bring this line down to here. I'll draw another one. I'll start up here, and then bring it up. I'll make another one come across here. And then I'll do a really skinny one at the top. Now starting here, I'm going to just draw a little line that curves across here. And then I'll make another line that comes across. Just to kind of help out with some of the lines, let's just draw two lines up here. Then I can make a few more little lines across here. And it's all about making them different sizes, starting in different spots. I'm going to come right across here. And then we'll just kind of do the same thing on the legs, just add some different little lengths of these. On the arms, we're just going to go up and down now to make the little wraps. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon mummy. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.